Hi everyone, welcome back to Tasia Unlimited. I am so happy to be back and just giving you guys an update. So yesterday I got the amazing chance to actually visit Beautycon LA, and oh my goodness, I have so much to tell you guys. If you want to hear about my experience at Beautycon LA 2019, stay tuned. Hey guys, having a wonderful time here at Beautycon in LA. All right, guys, so let's get into this Beautycon. I feel so rejuvenated. I feel like, you know how your work has like that one yearly retreat that's like the hoorah, like brings the team together and gets everyone re-energized. That's literally how I feel right now, okay? Beautycon LA was freaking amazing. And, you know, unfortunately, I was only able to go one day. You know, I played myself. It's okay because next year, next year. But we're talking about this year right now. It was just so many things. And I would say that I got to see maybe like 40% of everything that they had to offer on the day that I went. I mean, it was just so much stuff. I was there for 7 hours and it was still a ton of stuff that I missed. Now, I actually did it solo, but I highly recommend that you bring along a friend, you know, maybe like your sister, your mom, just, you know, anyone that's down, okay? Those lines were long. When I tell you they were long, I mean like 2-hour waits for some of those. So essentially what it was is that a lot of the big brands had like full-blown stations, so you could go and test out their newest product, but it wasn't just on, you know, a old bland basic table. I mean, it was really like a setup. Like, everybody wanted to check out the big brands like Sally Beauty, Ulta, Aussie. I mean, just so many. So a lot of those big brands, I didn't actually get a chance to get any samples from them because, like I said, it was just me. I only had 7 hours and I spent a lot of time actually going to the panels. Those panels were amazing, okay? Shout out to Marseille. Shout out to Liza. Super Scent was there. Come on, creator of the crown case. Okay, New Orleans represent. I'm not from New Orleans, but you know, I love New Orleans. Okay. Anyway, like Super Scent was there. Ming Lee was there. Karen Civil. Oh my goodness. And Angela Wright. It was just, and Sierra. I mean, seriously, y'all. It was so many people on the panel. Megan Thee Stallion. Come on, Hot Girl Summer. Y'all know what it is. It was just amazing. So a lot of my time, I was kind of like rushing back and forth between the floor, which more so had like all the beauty products and the samples and the installations, running back and forth between there and the panel. So I tried to do a little bit of everything. So some of those bigger brands I did miss out on, but I feel like I did get a lot of really nice stuff. So gonna get into what I got right now. And oh, they were so cute. I remember. So they had like these really cute lashes. And shout out to the totes. Like I said again, literally every brand that was there had a tote. Because I got to some of the larger brands a little bit later in the day, they of course ran out of a lot of their totes. And y'all, I was telling you, they literally had everybody there. And it's a hot girl summer, but it's a, you know, hot girl summer, you know, you need to stay fresh. So Refresh definitely was there hooking it up. Shout out to y'all. Glossier High Shine Liqueur lip color. Right, so it comes in this very nice packaging. They got it extra protected. Like, listen, ain't nobody finna be tampering with our glosses, okay? And you just press it. Oh, yeah, can I take your order? I actually love that. Shout out, put that on my lips, not just on my eyes, but this is really cute. So thank you, Glossier. This was a really nice package that you guys gave away. Lather. And they had like a spin the wheel thing, and then they gave you like little samples. So I got this hand therapy, which is a hand cream made with shea and aloe. So really excited for that, because you know, summer's ending. It's finna get real cold. I'm finna get real ashy, so I'm gonna need that for my hands, okay? This is actually a hair mask made with coconut and fig. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, they got it all like Sakura, okay. One really awesome thing that I noticed at Beautycon as well is that a lot of the brands were cruelty free. A lot of them were just vegan friendly and just really focused on like being like making efforts for sustainability. I love those kind of companies that really are focused and conscious of the effect that they have on our environment. So this company it says that they are cruelty free, gluten-free, sulfate-free, and 100% vegan. So shout out to Coco and Eve. Eco Styler was there. So they had a really cool booth. So they were actually doing braids and like different styles with the Eco Styler deal. Next time, like Beautycon LA 2020, I'm coming straight out of braids, straight out of weave. Okay, I'm not going there with my hair done, because they had real life stylists there. Like they had a wash bowl ready for you, blow dryers, flat irons, steam irons, and they were really doing people's hair, like really hooking it up. So next year I'm coming straight out of a weave, unwashed and ready to get a free hairdo, okay? Because they had it. And that was one of the things that Eco Styler they were doing. They were braiding hair. They gave away these cute, you know, just like little samples. Well, these are actually tattoos from Maybelline, some from Rimmel, just a whole bunch of stuff, y'all. Rimmel, they actually gave away 3 things, I believe, but this is one of them. Wonderlux Volume Mascara. This was a company called, Schmidt's. So they were really cool. So they have all these like certified vegan and cruelty free deodorant. So like free of like aluminum and all that bad stuff that was supposed to be, you know, all that stuff that's bad for you. And then just for like everyday wear, they had this coconut pineapple one, and yes, I remember right. It smells so bomb. C8 London. I'm really sorry if I pronounced that incorrectly. A liquid velvet lipstick in a really cute pink color. And then this is from Luminous. This is actually an eyeliner that they gave away, like a liquid pencil eyeliner. And then this was from Maybelline. Maybelline was also giving away a couple different things. But this was one of their lip glosses, and it was really cool because you actually got to choose. They had like 4 that you could choose from. So I love that about it. A lot of the brands weren't just giving away one, you know, kind of basic thing. They did have options for you to choose from. Then of course with that you were able to try different colors on, so I did love that. This was also something that Maybelline was giving away, and this was their Colossal mascara. And the next is by a company called Stasher. But basically Stasher makes these really awesome like containers, replacing plastic Ziploc bags. You know, get rid of a lot of your plastic bags that you use to like, you know, put your fruit in or put your vitamins in and replace them with more sustainable things. So, shout out to Stasher.